Did humans really evolve? Or are there missing pieces in the story we've been told? Science says we passed through many human species: Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthal, and finally Homo sapiens. But let's ask, were these truly separate species? Or were they just different versions of the same human adapting to different environments? This video dives into the missing links and the questions no one can quite answer. Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, Homo sapiens, were they really different species? Or were they all part of a single genetic lineage? We're told their brain sizes were different, but even today, humans vary widely. Their bodies were different, but those changes could come from climate and geography. If they could interbreed, why are they called different species? And most importantly, did consciousness appear suddenly? Or was it gradual? According to modern science, Homo sapiens emerged around 300,000 years ago in Africa. Other types of humans lived before or alongside us. They were classified based on fossils, skulls, and genetic data. Yes, Homo erectus had a smaller brain. Neanderthals had stockier bodies. But are those differences enough to declare them as separate species? Some biologists argue what we call macroevolution is actually the result of accumulated microevolution over time. That means maybe these weren't different species, just variations of the same evolving lineage. Still, not everyone is convinced by these explanations. Some theorists point out the sudden rise of symbolic thinking, art, rituals, myth, burial of the dead. They argue that human consciousness emerged too quickly to be explained by slow evolution. Ancient myths suggest similar ideas. The Anunnaki of Sumer, the breath of God in Genesis, sacred architecture emerging suddenly. Could it be that something or someone intervened? Here's how I see it. Yes, humans went through evolutionary changes. And yes, people adapted differently to their environments. That's microevolution. Over time, those small changes accumulated and created what we now call macroevolution. To me, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, and Homo sapiens may have been branches of the same tree. Different forms, same root. And evolution didn't just shape the body. It was shaped by the mind, culture, and maybe something more. What science tells us clearly is this: Homo sapiens evolved over time. We share genetic links with earlier hominins. We emerged from Africa. But here's what's still unclear. Did consciousness evolve gradually or appear suddenly? Were the so-called species really that different? Are there still missing links we haven't found? And maybe the biggest question of all, did humans simply evolve? Or did we become something more, something that searches for meaning? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Is evolution the full answer, or just the beginning of the question? Don't forget to subscribe and share, because sometimes asking the right question is more powerful than knowing the answer.